Hi, thanks for coming. This is the third video that we'll have out of our product line. My name is Tom Golden. I'm a managing member of EarthGen 215 LLC. We're down here in Tallahassee. Telephone number 719-465-6234. I mentioned these before, these two products put together. One is the Harvest D and the other is BioStim. I would liken it to Part A and Part B. When you put these products and combine them together in your tanks, this will always come last. This will come first, because what we're doing is we're putting the energy into the tank before we add the microbes. So these two together, when you have a case of two 2.5s and a case of two 2.5s, when you put those two cases together, they will do 20 acres. Or if you only had 10 acres you wanted to do, you could pull a jug of this and a jug of this, put them together, and you could do 10 acres. Okay, a little bit more expensive to ship, a little bit more expensive to use, but still way, way, way less than what you're doing for fertilizers, and we look to replace that with these. You have colloidal suspension with all of your minerals in here. You also have your acidophilus bifidus and all of the different recipe items that are within these packages. It is OMRI certified as well. One of the things that you'll keep in mind, just like the last products, you would use non-chlorinated water, 10 gallons when you put these two together. So you're going to keep it 10 gallons per acre. So when these are not need to be hydrated, they're liquid products. They're $1,200 for this to do 20 acres, so that would be $60 an acre, whereas the dry product was $40 an acre, a little less to ship, but takes a little bit more time, a little bit more adjustment to use it. Still easy to do. This kind of play and go. So this is a natural electrolyte. These products also carry 25% of the fulvic that we had just talked about prior to, which helps really with breaking down your bentonite difficult areas. If it turns out you need to supplement this, that's where that product comes in at the 4 ounces, the fulvic that we just talked about. That would add to this at the 4 ounce rate. So these two products stand alone and stand together, but two of them together, when you use them, they will cover 20 acres. $60 an acre, OMRI certified, and it does contain 25% of the fulvic that we shared in the last video. So again, on here, this is a soil remediation product. It will reduce your compaction. It'll improve your water usage, the both of them together. It also keeps up on that whole thought of water retention at the cellular level. That's where these products really shine. Same thing with the dry does as well. So it composts your solid, liquid materials. You can also use one of these on your BioStim. If you have lagoons, manure areas that you want to knock down the smell and cause things to disintegrate quicker, this product is what you would use. And we can talk at length at another video, or feel free to call the office here at 719-465-6234. Again, OMRI certified, and 10 gallons of non-chlorinated water, and you're good to go immediately. So give us a call here at the office with any questions. We'll be able to help you with that. Thank you very much.